Unraveling the Mystery. Understanding, keep mum. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to discuss and unravel. Keep mum. This is a phrase you might come across in English conversations, books, or movies, and it carries a unique meaning and usage. So, if you've ever wondered what it means to keep mum, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and learn all about this intriguing expression. Keep mum is an idiomatic expression in English, and it means to remain silent or to not disclose a secret. When someone says, keep mum, they are instructing another person to keep a secret or not to talk about a specific topic. It's important to note that this phrase implies confidentiality and discretion. It's often used when discussing sensitive matters or when secrecy is crucial. For example, if someone is planning a surprise party, they might tell their friends to keep mum about it so that the person for whom the party is being thrown remains unaware. The phrase, keep mum, has an interesting history. It is believed to have originated in the 16th century, and the word, mum, in this context is derived from the Middle English word, mum, meaning silent, or not speaking. The usage of mum to mean silence is also seen in the phrase, mum's the word, which carries a similar meaning to keep mum. Now that we know what keep mum means and where it comes from, let's see how we can use it in sentences. 1. You know about the surprise party for Jessica, right? Make sure to keep mum, we don't want her finding out. 2. I've heard a rumor about the new product launch, but I have to keep mum until the official announcement. 3. My sister is getting a promotion, but it's not public yet, so I need to keep mum. In all of these examples, keep mum is used to emphasize the importance of maintaining secrecy or not revealing certain information. And that wraps up our video on the phrase, keep mum. We hope this has been an insightful journey into the depths of English idiomatic expressions, and that you now feel more confident in understanding and using keep mum in your conversations and writing. Remember, English is full of intriguing phrases like this, and each one adds color and depth to your communication skills. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting language adventures. Keep learning, keep practicing, and of course, feel free to keep mum about our little language secrets until you're ready to impress with your newfound knowledge. See you in the next video.